Hello everyone, my name is Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. And in this beautiful setting, Los Angeles, California, West Hollywood, today we're shooting our apartment tour. Let's go. Welcome to my apartment, where I live with my boyfriend, and we've been here for about almost a year. And let's go in. And here, our little warrior is waiting for us. So the first thing you see when you enter is our patio, which we absolutely love because it's so much space. Not many apartments in Los Angeles get this much of space on their outdoorsy area. Right behind you there is a patio bench in L shape that we made ourselves. We literally went to Home Depot, bought some wood and made this beauty for storage purposes as well. So over here, because we live in an apartment and we have a lot of things that we need to store, we decided to create a bench that would serve a double purpose, have a good time when we have friends over and we have breakfast here, but also it's a storage unit. Both of the benches lift up, and over there we store a lot of things. Oh, this is fun. So this table and chairs we actually found randomly, and I love this so much. The beautiful blue and navy and white colors. We have some of our plates and cups in the same kind of color, so I thought it would all coordinate with the patio when we'll have breakfast and drink coffee here. And yeah, we got a good deal on this whole set, and I think it's a great addition to our LA patio. And now let's go inside. This is the apartment itself. We live in a one-bedroom apartment here in Los Angeles, but we have a quite comfortable living room connected to the dining room, sort of, and then we have our kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. And I think for an apartment in West Hollywood, we got a lot of space, which we definitely value a lot. So as you see, this is our accent wall. We added some of the mandala here. I am still working on this, you guys. It's been like a year from when I started drawing this, but now I'm just outlining everything in black color, as you see here. And I am almost done. Cannot wait to finish this little project. Over here we have a huge window, which I like because it lets in a lot of the indirect sunlight, which is perfect for shooting. I do some of my little projects in here, but we have these curtains, which we personally hate, and recently we decided to get rid of them, so we should be doing a little renovation and buying curtains instead of these blinds, and so the place should look much better. And probably after we renovate, I'll do another apartment tour. And this is my desktop. This is where I get most of the work done. I have my beautiful copper rose gold lamp in here, which is from IKEA. And just some of my notebooks. This one I like a lot. It says fucking brilliant. I got it on Amazon. I have some of the succulents that are still sort of alive.
Follow him on Spotify. Courage, maestra.
So yeah, I just have some of my Sharpies in here, my wax seal stamps. Things like this I like a lot because I get a little creative with it, and usually I use it for postcards whenever we go to someone's birthday. I also have my computer in here, my purse. So now if you look at this little coffee table that we have, it's actually huge. And not only it's a coffee table where we usually put our food the night when we have like a little movie night, but it's also our working station. As you guys may not know, we have an Etsy store, Etsy shop, and this is where Vas gets all of his manual work done. Meanwhile, I'm behind the computer doing all the communications with clients. This is kind of our workstation slash our hobbies station. We also have our personal books that we read or we have already read, my textbooks from school, some of the paints and all the artsy things that I do. But most of these books that are here I've already read, and Vas have read them too. And look what I've got recently. My boyfriend, who is by the way behind the camera, was traveling out of town and he went to Nashville, Tennessee, and he got me this handmade leather journal from Italy. And I've been willing to get something like this for a while, but they were quite expensive, so I'm like, ah. So over here we also have some of the decor, kind of to enlighten our atmosphere. I have this golden Buddha with the cactus in his head, and you probably have seen it in my previous room tour when I lived in Venice Beach. And I also have this crystal that's coming from the same place. And right now we are moving to my boyfriend's corner. This is his workspace. This is where the magic happens. My boyfriend is a recording engineer, sound recording engineer, and this is his station. Basically the speakers that are set up in the proper way, the monitor, his computer, and here we have some equipment. And in this secret room, which is supposed to be a closet for storage, we modified it and we made a recording studio. So look at this. As you see, most of the things that we do, we try to generate money from, and that's how we hustle. Let's go to the dining room. So this is our dining area. That's where we have our breakfasts, lunch, and dinner. This is our boards of planning. Right now, Vas is taking over with his plants. I don't have any plants apparently. And yeah, this is just our memorabilia, nostalgia board with some of the Polaroids from like surfing and traveling, having parties. This is when we were in Seattle. This is our 6 months together. That's been a while from now. A rent envelope, that's where we collect the money for rent. So right now we're entering the kitchen where all the magic happens, and I cook our wonderful dinners. And we also do our coffee in the morning. This is pretty much a place where souls get united. With our kitchen, we also want to do some of the remodeling. I'm not a fan of it. It's really old, just as well as this apartment and the building in general. It's very old. By the way, these are the magnets that we do. This is kind of our Etsy shop business. These are just some of the decor that I like to have in our bathroom, like these fake succulents. Unfortunately, I'm not very good at keeping plants alive. So everything here is made out of plastic. And we also have this beautiful noir candle, which is kind of a manly, earthy flavor. I love that a lot. Over here is another succulent and some of the products that I use all the time. So we've got the camera over here, and there's a little storage behind the mirror. This is our collection of mini shampoos and all the shower gels from the hotel. Just some of the basic things that we use. Usually when I take a shower, my dog sleeps in here because it's kind of scary to leave her alone in the apartment. She starts chewing and destroying things. I have my palettes over here. So yeah, as you can see, some of my makeup is over there. This is our bathroom. The bedroom is probably my favorite place in the apartment because it's so light and minimalistic. There is no much clutter, not much stuff, and I absolutely like this. We're trying to make the whole apartment look like this, but we need the storage, and it's all light and it's a kind of white brown tones. I think this room is completed. There's nothing else to be done. I would like the colors, and yeah, let me go over it in details. So this is what you see when you first enter our bedroom. There's a lot of storage, this kind of nice closet. That's my nightstand, our king-size bed, which is enormous, and it's so tall I literally have to jump into it at night. And there is my boyfriend's nightstand. We also have these beautiful mirrors on both of the sides, as well as the watch, Vas's travel luggage, and another mirror on my side. Hello there. Look at her, she's always sleeping on the cold floor. And then this is my nightstand with some of the products that I use most oftenly. In here I have my favorite perfumes. This is Candy by Prada. It's a very sweet smell. I got it in Japan. I like this a lot. Also in here I have my Victoria's Secret cream, or I guess fragrance lotion, that I got recently because it's summer and my skin is kind of getting dehydrated. so I use this to hydrate my skin. So this is the candle. I am a Libra. I don't know why. I've heard that Libras are obsessed with candles, and so am I. And this is a Yankee candle. I think they have the most quality candles that smell for a while, and it's a very strong smell, and their collection is quite nice. So this one is sage and citrus. Like that a lot. And obviously I am using Moroccan oil for my hair because I have a tendency to get split ends, especially in the summer. So this is basically how I save my hair from damaging. And it smells very nice. This is the inside of my nightstand. It's a little bit of a mess. I have all of my glasses here. And then this is my jewelry box. This is where I keep all of my jewelry. I'm very classy in that matter. I don't wear cheap jewelry. So yeah, mostly it's things like this. This is Swarovski, so it's semi-expensive. I don't like jewelry from like Forever 21 and things like that because it just doesn't last very long and it's not that attractive. So I have all of my like watches in here, my Pandora, some of the silver and the gold in here in this little box. I think there is the cheap jewelry. That's just like candy bracelets from festivals and stuff. I guess the final part of this video is going to be my closet. It's quite big, much bigger than my boyfriend's side. I will show you both, but this is my side. I also have all of my belts in here. This is from Zara, this one is a Gucci belt, and just a bunch of other things. And then this is my shoe storage, my shoe collection. All of the heels that I wear, more heels in here. Over here we've got more shoes and purses. Here I store my pants and my jeans, as well as all the swimsuits I have in this little backpack. And then this is my clothes. Here we also do some storage. I mostly have like my pajamas and underwear here, and socks and leggings, gym wear, as you can see. My bra collection. So that's about it. This is our tiny, not so one-bedroom apartment in Los Angeles, California. We love this place so much. We probably aren't going to move until like, I don't know, 7 years from now. So we're just gonna do some small remodeling things and elevate our space where we're living in. But we love it, we appreciate it. And living here together is definitely something that we both adore and we love. We like being next to each other, we like being supportive. So my advice to you, if you have something that you trust enough to live with them together and you have this passion going on and this support inside of your relationship, I would definitely recommend trying to move in together after you've built that trust and that level of relationship, because it's an absolutely amazing experience. And yes, thank you for watching our apartment tour. Thank you for staying with me. If you're new to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not, let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up and commenting something down below. What do you like about our apartment? Where do you live? Where are you from? Thank you so much. I appreciate having you here. My name is Alex Wright and I love you.